Next up is the Commercial Application of the Year category, which focuses on commercially applied innovations. Entrants in this category are asked to demonstrate the significance of their technology in relation to emissions reduction, reliability, practicality, and overall commercial success. The finalists are Caterpillar, ClearSign Combustion, Daintree Networks, DuPont and Procter & Gamble, FridgeWize, Maxwell Technologies, and Scott Environmental Services.